keep the grind going on, yeah. Oh, I accidentally declined his challenge. I'm so sorry to him, by the way. Okay, let's go here. Hold on, I wanna wash the dishes first. Okay, time to get revenge for that rapid game. Okay, sure, blood. I guess I will take, cause once he goes there, I will have knight b3 to save everything up, and I'm still not very much prepared with this mouse, so it is gonna take some time. Okay, if I go there, he goes there, which I don't actually want. So let's go here. If he takes, I will take back. Yeah, you can see that my mouse precision is terrible today. Cause I have switched the mouses. Cause mouse, I don't know. Cause they are the old one is not working, right? By the way, is the music and everything perfect? I guess so. It should be. Goes there, tries to threaten what? Nothing. What is Lil Bro trying to do? I can just go there, right? He wants to go there. I see his plan. But I guess so. I can just come back. And now where does the knight go? There? Bro is on to nothing, to be very honest. I hope you have a wonderful time doing the dishes, by the way, just clever. Okay, goes there. I can try to... let's go with rook there. Why not? Threatening to take on f6. That would be, simple. Queen blunder. Let's go. Let's go. Another win. Another game. Another win is... that is what I should say, I guess. Too good at this game. Who is Magnus Carlsen? I can beat him so bad that he's gonna cry. Maybe that is gonna backfire me. Okay. This is surely gonna go on an Instagram deal though. Goes there, I guess I have this. And then go there. Threatening to take and actually... Okay, goes there. I don't know what to do. Let's go here. Still threatening to take there. Okay, now I can take there, right? And then what? And then what? Let's go here. Still everything is protected. If he tries to go there, I have b3 and then that. Okay, goes there. I guess I can take. Okay, there we go. Easy peasy game. And then I will take there another easy game. Let's go. Keep the grind going on. Just resign, bro. Hey, welcome to the stream, Lars. How are you doing? Welcome. Okay, can I take? Well, not actually. So let's just come back. How are you doing, Lars? I guess this is the second time of you joining the stream. That is wonderful. Okay, let's try to attack. Let's go here. I'm doing wonderful too. And glad to hear that you are doing wonderful. Can I take? I don't know. I can try to push actually to try and take. And that could be wonderful. Okay, goes there. Isn't that just completely losing? Yeah, should be easily winning. Let's go. Yeah, welcome to the stream. I hope, yeah. And he resigns. We beat a guy from Indonesia, probably chess lover's uncle.
What's this knob do?